What's good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, to boy Momo from Duck Barber Yakos. Today I'll be showing you how to cut low taper fade on one of my clients' hair, and I'll walk through each step and explain what I'm doing. Yeah, so right now I'm just setting up his hair for a nice haircut. So if you see like hair that's sticking out, or like someone just woke up from the bed or something and the hair is like going everywhere, you just have to wet the hair and let it down with the comb. Alright, so I'm using number 3 guard and making sure the hair has the same length around his hair to start off with. And right here I'm using no guard close, and I'm creating my first guideline. So the difference between the taper fade and normal fade is the taper fade doesn't go around his head, but instead it just stays in like the frontal part of his hair. Yeah, so after I'm done with that, I open up the lever all the way open and I'm creating my second guideline. And I'm going up about a ½ inch, and you don't want to go up too high because this is a low taper fade. So if you go up higher, it's just gonna become like high taper. So I'm staying as low as possible. And close down the lever again and flick that line underneath. And open up the lever just halfway to erase that line between the first guideline and the second guideline. Alright, so same thing with the fade. Just go up another ½ inch with number 1 guard all the way open and create another guideline as well. Okie dokie, so right now I'm using a 0 guard and I'm flicking out the line between guideline 2 and guideline 1. And since you're working in such a tiny space when you're doing the taper fade, so make sure not to push up too high and be careful when you're doing this step. So right now I'm using 1.5 guard, and I'm just flicking out the line to blend in the fade and the hair on top. Make sure to take out the bulk using number 2 guard all the way open or closed, and make sure everything is neat. Sometimes people forget like hair behind the ears, so just clean up that behind the ear as well. And shout out to Voodoo Doggy for this sick beats in this video. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below, so check out his music as well. And for the back, it's basically the same thing with the front. So you just repeat the same steps with the front taper fade and repeat the process.
VOODOO on the beat.